Does exercise order matter? So very often if you train in a busy gym, you'll sometimes find that the bit of equipment that I've programmed for you to use first is not being used, okay? Now, people often ask, oh, can I just do something else for that muscle group first and come back to it? And ideally, no, for a couple of reasons, okay? The first reason being is that I will usually have programmed you to do the shortened, which is the weaker range first, followed by the stronger length and range for that muscle group, if we're doing multiple exercises for the same muscle group, afterwards. If you flip that order around, you'll find that your overall output across those two movements will likely be a lot lower, because having already fatigued the stronger position, you're going to have nothing left to then complete the weaker shortened range. The second thing, and the reason this is a really big problem, is that it messes up your metric tracking over time. If one time you do bench press before chest press, okay, you're going to find that your bench press is going to go up a lot in that week, but the week after you go back to your normal format of chest pressing first, you're going to find that your bench press is then way down on what it is the week before, and you'll be like, oh Josh, why am I getting weaker? And it's because you're messing around with the exercise order. Now, obviously sometimes in a real world setting, you are going to have to change the order of your workouts, but the ideal situation here is to do a different muscle group first, ideally one with as little crossover as possible to the one you should be doing. So for instance, we might choose to do calves first if we've got quads and squats usually programmed at the start of it, but we wouldn't choose to do something from the same muscle group and just switch the order around within that muscle group.